Hello everyone, this is Manju Singh Arora from IIHM Delhi. I am here to speak on my project which names as Digital Marketing Strategies for opening a new branch of X Spicy restaurant in my city, that is Etawah, Uttar Pradesh. This video has 6 parts, starting with the introduction about X Spicy. Second point, defining the food and beverage scene in my city, Etawah. The third point is location where I am going to open the X Spicy restaurant in my city. Fourth point is the competitive analysis for the existing restaurant, that is how they marketed on social media when they started their hotel. And the fifth point is three social media tool which I chosen to promote the X Spicy. And the sixth and the last point is the conclusion. Let's start our first point, that is about the X Spicy restaurant. X Spicy is a restaurant of the Indie Smart Hotel situated in Kolkata, West Bengal. It's a multi-cuisine restaurant. X Spicy offers 54 covers at a time. This is an ideal place for corporate and family get-together. The breakfast menu is a rich accumulation of Indian recipes evolved to the next level. The lunch and dinner are laced with mouth-watering multi-cuisines with a never say no dessert station. X Spicy refers to maintain certain varieties in the offering dailies. Talking about the Indie Smart Hotel Kolkata, Kolkata is a gem of tourist destination not only of the Indian but also of Southeast Asia. Hemmed by the azure water of Ganga, it's an all-season holiday destination. With the onset of every season, Kolkata changes her look and dresses up in completely new attires to mesmerize her guests. Apart from the breathtaking natural beauty, Kolkata also offers a number of other attractions like beautiful temples, churches, bustling nightlife, various festivals, shopping areas, and casinos. Vacation from all across the globe, irrespective of their age, caste, and creed, loves to spend their holidays in Kolkata, all thanks to its numerous natural and artificial treasures. For opening a branch of this restaurant in a small city like Etawah, it's very important to look for the perfect location and target customer so that the business can be successful for reaching maximum people in a small duration of time, so that digital marketing is the best tool for this. Now coming to the second part, that is defining the food and beverage scene in my city, Etawah. Talking about the food and beverage scene in my city, as I already said, that Etawah is a small city, so mostly restaurants are preferred to be a multi-cuisine. There is no specialty restaurant, and there is only one cafe named Tatva, which is opened recently. There is no QSR in the city. QSR is basically quick service restaurant like your McDonald's. There is no cover in the restaurant. Cover, what is cover? Cover is basically the area on the table for plates, glasses, and cutlery for a single person. So as I already said that there is no cover in the restaurant. If some have the cover, so there is only a basic cover which contain a spoon, a fork, knife, and a napkin only. Talking about the service of the restaurant, so they prefer assisted service. Now what is assisted service? Assisted service is basically a combination of the table service and self-service. Some part of the meal are served to seated customer and other parts collected by the customer. Coming to the third part of the video, that is location which I chosen to open the X Spicy restaurant in my city. So the preferred location for the restaurant is near Lon Safari Park, as it is one of the main tourist area in the city. Thousands of people reach out this area on daily for visit the park, and there is also a market there where people come and buy multiple things like fashion, lifestyle, and etc. This center is spread over an area of 5 hectares. Damming plant structure at its center has been created by Frank Vidal, an internationally renowned expert of Spain technology. In this center, a grand entrance artificial take 4D theater on Austria technology, food court and a shop, nature painting center, ticket counters and parking area has been developed. In addition, a multimedia center of based on Israel technology has been developed here. Hence, it will be easy for the restaurant to get customer in the beginning. As in Etava, most of the restaurant have no covers in the restaurant, so it's an effort advantage to introduce a new thing in a small city like Etava. We can give a basic cover in our express restaurant in Etava. Now coming to the fourth part, the competitive analysis for the existing restaurant. That is how they marketed on social media when they started their hotel. For the digital marketing purpose, I did a survey and collected information about the digital marketing strategies adopted by the three restaurants of the city. In their beginning, all the three had firstly located their restaurant on Google Map so that maximum people can know about the restaurant, as many people search restaurant near me on Google Maps, and this method worked as well. Now the question arises how Google Map helps to advertise their restaurant. Google Maps provide a layout of road, the location of cities and towns, state boundaries, geographical features, restaurant reviews and satellite images. Google provide the street view perspective, allowing you to see houses, storefront and points of interest from a driver point of view. All the three are available on Swiggy and Zomato, getting more reach. Two out of three restaurants have various and use Google Ads to promote their business. Now, second question arises how Google Ads helps in advertising or promoting their business at a marketing level. Google pay per click advertisement, known as Google AdWords, will give an almost instant increase in your website traffic as a method of advertising. It's fast, flexible, and highly measurable. Your The three restaurants have various social media accounts as well as promote their business. The most common being Facebook and Instagram. They use Instagram as a visual marketer by making a small video that is real by using different effects which attract the people to come and enjoy their services. The three social media tools which I chosen to promote the Extra Spicy restaurant in my city are website, video marketing, and the last is Facebook. The most important factor for marketing nowadays is to create your website, which really helps to promote your platform in which they upload their menus, photos of their restaurant, and their specification, which attract the people or guests to come and enjoy their services. Creating website is not as simple as you speak. It has various steps which I am going to explain one by one. The first part of making a website is domain name and hosting. The first part of setting up your website or blog is choosing a domain name, as this is a URL or brand name that your website will be known by and found when they type into the search bar. The second part is installing WordPress. Now the question arises, what is WordPress? WordPress is a straightforward to use and will allow you to manage your website with little or no technical knowledge. The third part is choosing a theme or website design. At this point, you can now start creating and posting your own content if that's what you want to do. However, we suggest that you choose a theme or website design to make your blog look more attractive and professional, especially for those going to visit your website and navigate through your soon to be content filled site blog. Secondly, the tool which I chosen to promote Extra Spicy in my city is video marketing, which helps to promote at a visual level, which nowadays best idea to marketing. For this, we have many platforms like Instagram Reels, YouTube's, and etc. and many more. YouTube's blog recently stated that they have 1 billion unique customer every month, and that's 6 billion and that's 6 billion hour of videos are watched every month, which have 50% more in March 2013 than it was in May 2012. Video marketing is also an essential part of your website, and in the days of smartphones, digital cameras, and free video editing software, it has been never been easier. Videos can be embedded on your website and can also be uploaded to and shared in YouTube. Videos have the ability to show clearly which product and services your company can offer. Most people will prefer to watch a 1 minute video than read a page full of text. So, coming to the last point of the topic, that is conclusion. So, the conclusion of the topic is that if we take these marketing tools to promote the Extra Spicy restaurant in Itawa, it will be the most effective tool to promote and make your restaurant to compete and stand in the market. Hence, digital marketing allow you to interact with your customer easily. And at last, I am ending the topic with a thought which as stop selling, start helping. I am repeating the thought, stop selling, start helping. So at last, thank you for watching this video and have a wonderful day.